Lahore's streets buzz with life. Days before Basant, kite vendors display a vibrant array of kites. Children point and laugh. Their eyes alight with joy. The air crackles with anticipation. Colors explode as the city prepares to celebrate. Sunlight floods the kite maker's workshop, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. Ustad Rahim sits cross-legged, his face etched with time, crafting a vibrant kite. His nimble fingers carefully glue paper onto the bamboo frame. Ali, eyes wide, watches, absorbing the ancient craft. The scent of paper fills the air. Rahim says, "Each kite carries a story, Ali. A story of the wind, the sky, and the hands that shaped it. Remember the Basants of old, Ali? It is tradition. It is life," Rahim says. Sunlight floods the tailor shop, illuminating vibrant fabrics as a family chooses yellows, greens, and reds. Mr. Khan, spectacles perched on his nose, expertly measures the cloth with practiced hands. Chalk dances across the fabric as Mr. Khan marks lines with care, preparing for his craft. "I will deliver the perfect Basant attire in time for the festival, just as I promised," Mr. Khan assures. On a sun-drenched rooftop, friends gather, kite strings in hand, ready to paint the sky with vibrant colors. The wind playfully teases their hair as the kites ascend, soaring into the vast azure canvas above. Laughter echoes as they launch their kites, a kaleidoscope dancing against the sky. A competitive spark ignites, playful banter mixing with focused determination as they maneuver their kites. The kites twirl and dance, a vibrant ballet against the endless blue, mirroring their carefree joy. Sunlight floods the kitchen, a stage for Fatima as she commands the stove, orchestrating a feast of Basant aromas. Biryani simmers, a fragrant promise in a large pot, its spices painting the air with warmth. Halwa glistens, a golden jewel on a silver tray, its sweetness a beacon to eager eyes. Samosas pile high, a golden pyramid of crisp delight, tempting fingers reaching for their savory treasure. Children gather, apprentices in the art of tradition, their eyes reflecting the promise of celebration. Lahore streets burst into life, awash in vibrant colors under a canopy of twinkling lights. The air vibrates with anticipation as Basant nears, excitement palpable in every corner. Crowds gather, their voices blending into a joyful symphony of song and laughter. Spontaneous dances erupt, mirroring the collective euphoria pulsing through the city streets. The night sky is illuminated by the smiles of the people gathered in celebration. Every movement resonates with the thrill of the upcoming festival. A riot of kites fills the dawn sky, dancing like spirits in the Basant wind. Rooftops burst, with families dressed in vibrant yellow, their faces radiant with joy. The air crackles with the electric thrill of Basant, a festival of color and hope. Laughter echoes as kites duel in the sky, each a symbol of dreams taking flight. The warmth of the rising sun bathes the scene in a golden glow, illuminating every detail. On a sun-drenched rooftop, Ali, in a bright yellow quarter, skillfully controls his kite, the wind gently tugging at his clothes. The colorful kite dances against the clear sky, a vivid testament to lessons learned from his grandfather. Other kite flyers dot the neighboring rooftops, their kites locked in a playful aerial competition. Ali maneuvers his kite with practiced ease, its movements fluid and precise against the azure canvas. A determined look sharpens his features as he strategically aims to outmaneuver his rivals in the sky. The kite soars and dives, a vibrant splash of colour in the vast expanse, reflecting Ali's focused ambition. The rooftop basks in sunlight as Fatima arranges a feast, laughter echoing in the air. Friends and family gather, their faces lit with joy as they anticipate the meal. Colourful dishes are presented, steam rising like a fragrant invitation. Kites dance in the azure sky, their strings humming tales of playful battles. The air vibrates with cheerful chatter, a symphony of shared happiness. Fatima smiles, her heart full as she watches her loved ones celebrate. Sunlight glints off taut kite strings as Ali faces his rival on the rooftop, a battle of wills painted against the sky. The crowd's cheers rise and fall with each daring maneuver, their excitement a tangible force, urging Ali onward. Strings sing as they cross and clash, each tug a calculated risk in this aerial duel. The stakes soar higher than the kites themselves, a personal vendetta fueling Ali's every move. A sudden, sharp pull the crowd gasps as one kite plummets, victory hanging precariously in the balance. High on the rooftop, Ali's kite dances against the bright sky, held taut by a slender string. Suddenly, the string snaps. Ali's eyes widen as his kite breaks free, floating away. A flicker of disappointment crosses Ali's face as he watches his kite drift further into the blue. But a small smile begins to form, acceptance dawning as he understands the whims of the wind. Ali watches his kite disappear with a peaceful smile, embracing the lesson of letting go. High above, kites dance in the sky, their vibrant colours a stark contrast to the vast expanse of the day. Ali's eyes reflect pure joy amidst the festive rooftop, losing himself in the camaraderie of fellow kite flyers. The memory of past failures fuels his resolve, each mistake a lesson etched in his determined gaze. Committed to mastering the dance of the kites, Ali's focus sharpens with every gust of wind. High above, Ustad Rahim's eyes are filled with pride as he watches Ali on the rooftop under the bright, expansive sky. The rooftop stretches into the distance, carrying on a legacy. Ali embraces the traditions of Basant, the wind carrying the scent of celebration and freedom around him. The kites dance like vibrant birds against the blue, each maneuver a testament to skill and heritage. Ustad Rahim smiles, a silent acknowledgement of the bond between generations, tradition, and the soaring spirit of kite flying. The sun sets, painting the sky in fiery hues as the kite festival nears its end. Kites dance in the fading light, their strings humming a gentle melody in the breeze. Laughter and joyous shouts echo, filling the air with the shared joy of the day. A palpable feeling of unity hangs heavy, a perfect end to the day's festivities. Lahore streets teem as night falls, faces a mix of weariness and joy under dim lights. Festival remnants scatter, kite strings dance, empty containers tell tales of celebration. The air buzzes with the quiet contentment of a night well spent, hearts full. A gentle breeze carries whispers of laughter and memories through the crowded streets. On a rooftop under a starlit sky, Ali and Ustad Rahim share a silent moment. The cities hum a distant lullaby. The night unfolds above them as Ali breaks the silence, his youthful curiosity shining. Ustad Rahim, tell me more stories about Basant, Ali adds, his voice eager. a spark of anticipation in his eyes as he looks to his mentor. Ustad Rahim smiles gently, the starlight reflecting off his wise eyes, ready to share tales. The city sleeps below as the story of Basant is about to be told, carrying the weight of generations. The tradition continues, passed down from one generation to the next, a legacy etched in the night sky.